you recognize the incense coming off my hands came from the laundry room. To wrap you in sheets straight out the dryer, warming you up straight through your bones. That's how it feels to be loved by you. That's how it feels to love you. Cover our heads even though it's light out, kissing as if it's all we know. Live entire lives in a moment, though to the outside we're just ghosts. Falling to the bed we make together and wrestling in dreams. Every corner now divine, for you've made it sacred where we fall asleep. I know you well enough now. I know you well enough to wrap you in sheets straight out the dryer, warming you up straight through your bones. That's how it feels to be loved by you. That's how it feels to love you. Cover our heads even though it's light out, kissing as if it's all we know. Live entire lives in a moment, though to the outside we're just ghosts. Now their eyes are open wide. Oh, now their eyes are open wide. Oh, now their eyes are open wide. I know you well enough now.
Παραβωνίζεται ο δούλος του Θεού Θωμάς, τη δούλη του Θεού Μαρίναν, εις το όνομα του Πατρός και του Υιού και του Αγίου Πνεύματος.
I know.
Κύριε ο Θεός ημών, δόξη και τιμή, στεφάνωσον αυτού.
That's how it feels to be loved by you. That's how it feels.
I'm cutting away.
Marina, I want to say thank you for agreeing to marry me. being able to call myself your husband is an honour of my life. I want you to know how much I love and appreciate you, especially over the last year. As happy and overjoyed as I am today, only you really know how painful this year has been for me, and how difficult it is for me to give this speech today. You've been my rock, and honestly, I don't know where I'd be without your love, support and understanding. You're my best friend, and I'm happy I'll be spending the rest of my life with you by my side. like the wise Master Yoda says, Do or do not, there is no try. And with you, I know there's only love, no hesitation, and no doubt. So, can we all stand and first raise a toast? First of all, to my new wife, Marina. Secondly, to love, family, friends, good health, and happiness. Styriamas. Thank you all. Ευχαριστούμε.
Everything's changing. I wanna stay in this moment here with you. I wanna stay.
Firstly, I think everyone will agree you look absolutely stunning today. And a picture. We couldn't be prouder of the young lady you have turned into, and standing here today speaking at your wedding is such a privilege and honour. But in all honesty, we couldn't be happier for Marina to have found such a decent and kind man, and to see her marrying her best friend today makes our hearts full. Marina has not only gained a husband, we as a family have gained a son and a brother. Stiniasas ke elbizo na perasate orea.
I really believe you found a diamond in Marina. Not only are you marrying a top tier girl, you are marrying into a top tier Bramble. You fit the jackpot, I reckon, mate. I genuinely think that you are made for each other. You balance each other out in the perfect way. I'm wishing you both many years of happiness ahead and can only see you go from strength to strength in this new stage of married life. Yamas!